I am sitting in a 2014 Nissan Sentra. This has the remote key. We're going to be programming this spare additional key with no remote. All we're going to be touching is the immobilizer portion. Nothing to do with the remote today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, take our key, turn it on. We're going to get started. Nissan Sentra 14, immobilizer number 2. Yes. Yes. Ignition's on. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll go use the new pin. So we'll press enter. Doors do not have to be closed. Keys will be deleted. You'll get a status bar coming up here in just a second. Okay, keys on. Okay, from this point, all we have to do is cycle our keys. The machine has done its job. So, we'll take our first key here, turn it off, turn it on. We get 5 flashes right there. Take that key out. Next key. 5 flashes. Key out. Original key back in. We should get no flash. Turn it off. That's it. We're done. From this point, wait till the light starts flashing again. That way you know the programming mode is closed. There it is. Take our non-remote key, turn it to on. Light is out. That means that key is programmed. Wait till the light comes back on. Okay, turn the key and we'll make sure the light goes out. Light is out, and we're done.